I'm from Film for Show. My name is Sipho Mason Tinyati. Danke siyabonga enkundleni exclusive. Skipha yonke inyaka yonke information oyifunayo khona apha silayo siphethe ngama role models enu, ngama business person enu, ngama entertainment personalities silabo bonke, brought to you by Deb 3 Events. We provide the best sound system in town, best PA system in town, best sound engineers in town. We provide lighting systems, and also if you want to do a road show, you want to market, you're an NGO, you do things that have abantu ukuthi behlangane, Deb 3 Events, we can organize that for you. And then also brought to you by our Okuhle Designs. It's khona apha ke Okuhle Design isiqhase from episode 1. Okuhle Designs besenzela ama posters, besenzela all our digital posters. Siyabonga kakhulu. And the show is brought to you by Okuhle Designs, and also our newly born baby, Deb 3 Events Visual Studios. If you have a music video that you want to shoot, if you want to cover a wedding, if you want to cover a church conference, Deb 3 Events Visual Studios is Konapa and Lamhlanje ICT Tours. Yes. Ngulo yakwantu. Yes. Ibizo lakho ngikwazi la ngoThaluso. Bani Thaluso?
Hayi.
Nangikwazi ngongulo vele.
Yeah.
Nangubiza ngongulo.
Ungaphazamiseki. Indlula mithi ngelomsebenzi le.
Yes. Man, elomsebenzi ngubani ngundlula mithu?
Yes.
Then indlula mithu is giraffe.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Angithi ayibona igiraffe ukuthi inde kangakanani.
Idlula isihlahla, idlula imithi.
Yeah, inomqala lona nithuthini trying intamo. Lentamo ende. So it's able to see what is there, out there, far there. Indlula mithi igiraffe ibona lokho abanye abangakhona ukubona or sikubonile before. And that's what we are talking about today.
Okay. Indlula mithi.
Yes.
Yes. And then ibizo lakho original kungubani? Nesibongo.
Hayi kuzohlupha lokhana
sihlupha abantu bafuna bakwazi.
Manje
ufuna bakwazi ura sifuna uqala sibe kwazi information le iphuma kubani original sisiyaphambili.
Iphuma kundlula mithi. Wena uzobakwazi lokhana ndoda kunabathakathi abaningi ngaphandle. Wena bamba.
Uyabasaba abathakathi?
Angibesabi. Wena bamba lele likandlula mithi.
Hayi uyabasaba.
Angibesabi, but you can't just uthi wena ubona kunesilwane lapha ya usuyasilanda ukuthi wena ngazi what.
So thina sikhamba sikhuluma amabizo ukuthi singosipho siyenzani siyazithakathisa?
Not necessarily if kunesidingo sokuthi uthakatheke. Phela ukhumbule mina le information engizokutshela yona today. A lot of ngithi mina mhlambe abelaphi bendabuko nabaprofeti, they don't want you to know, and I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
So which means automatically I become an enemy to a whole lot of these guys. Because ukhumbule neBhayibheli lithi lona my people perish because of lack of knowledge.
So ngulo kahle wena uyini, uyinyanga, ungumfundisi uyini, ungumprofit uyini kahle?
Angazi.
Akwazi lawe.
Phela ukuthi wena ungibani anifuna ukutshela ukuthi wena kanje. Mina I consider myself mhlawumbe ngithi ngiluhlanya.
Uyini?
Uhlanya.
Uluhlanya. Okay. So ngulo lapho wona indaba yakho uthi yingulo yakwantu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kusho ukuthi
yini ngulo?
Ngisebenzela i-organization okuthiwa yingulo yakwantu, which is a spiritual advisory center. Singayibeka ngamanye amazwi yangithi. Suke seluleka abantu ngeinkinga abanazo ngomoya o ngeculture. I-culture iyindlela yokuphila. Uyayithola? Uyakuzwisisa lokho?
Yeah, ngiyazwisisa.
Mangithi indlela yokuphila. Culture. Hayi culture because abaningi mangithi culture basuke becabange amabheshu, utshwala besintu, what this i-culture kahle is spiritual. So meaning indlela
culture is what the culture kuma ngama customs.
Yeah, you could say customs, but what we call culture kusuke sesikhuluma ngomoya. Angithi fana ukuthi kulobola umfazi angithi usangathi ku cultural, mina ngithi kungumoya
ukulobola umfazi.
Yes.
Then why then uno particularly ku organization lisithi yingulo li focus on
yingulo ngoba siyagula. Ungacheka siyagula. One, we are not progressing. You would agree with me angithi?
We are not progressing.
We are not progressing as people.
In terms of what?
I mean, look at Zimbabwe right now. we've got the best currency in the world, which is the US dollar.
Recently e-UK bekunama protest. Akuna country ekuthiwa ni stable ngulu.
No, but I'm saying right now, as Zimbabwe, you're carrying the best currency.
Yes, right now e-UK
But
kunabantu
look at the
abaprotestayo.
state of the country.
Like right now i-state ye-UK is volatile.
Bengise I saw a guy, he's got a Bentley.
Israel leGaza
Wait. He has a Bentley, this guy, eFlapusi emakhaya. But we drive him kwaqinonja. Uyayithola lento le. Ingulo ngoba it's like into yakho ayikho balance. Usipho has money but he has nothing to buy ngale mali yakhe. Oh, uyayithola lento enza.
But nangale like nxa usithi khona nangale emazweni ngulu banemali kodwa kunezinto.
Hayi akufani. Sipho, don't try and
I think lapho ukhuluma ingulo I talk about the nature of life.
I'm saying we must progress as people. If you look at society esinayo manje, mhlambe angazi wena unyaka emingaki?
Hayi iminyaka ayiqathekanga.
Ayiqathekanga. But into engizama ukusho ukuthi you will find ukuthi your father ku age yakho he had already achieved more than you at your age now. You get my point? So, if ubaba wakho nge-age okuyo wena, wayesenomfazi, wena awunamfazi.
So ingulo yakwantu.
So you're sick.
Alright, but now mawusukufaka njalo we need to then look at the political and economic dynamics ezazikhona ngesikhathi ubaba mesesekhona.
My point exactly.
Yes. So politics, economics, then spirituality now.
Exactly. So if you are not sick, it means your politics has got to be healthy, your finances have got to be healthy, your what have got to be healthy. Then you are healthy. But we are sick, and we are sick spiritual. Kona manje, how many churches do we have out there? Zingaki inyanga esinazo abaprofeti angikhulumi like kona manje eZimbabwe see akuna siganga esi-free.
Awunani?
Siganga. Iganga eli free.
Okay.
It's churches here Matsibaba ngapha mambo what ngapha what akuna churches are full every week like but people are not getting help. There's no solution there. So i-solution akusukuthi ayikho ikhona somewhere. Yilento engifuna ukubonisa yona today ukuthi there is a solution and it's not the church, it's not the prophet, it's not your political leader. No. Ayikho lapho.
Yini i-solution?
Iku-culture lento bengikhuluma ngayo, indlela yokuphila. You must underline that. Ukuze understand kahle.
All right.
So, we are in a state of identity crisis. If you don't know yourself, you can't practice your culture. We agree.
Yes, that is very true. But now, ngisasendaweni yengulo ukuthi ingulo are you talking about the nature of life ukuthi as long uphila problems will be there? Or when you are saying ukuthi particularly there's a specific type of people abanama problems akhozwa kakhulu yi-spirituality yabo. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, true. Yes, when you're on earth, obviously you'd say you have problems. But the problem esinayo is now beyond understanding. Ingumoya, sihlushwa ngumoya.
Okay. And umoya usihlupha kanjani?
Right, umoya ithi ngiqale kanje.
Particularly lina malikhangele as an organization.
Wait.
Ama problems elikhangeleyo i-list here, i-priority list ngalikhangela ama problems apha abantu abaningi bahlutshwa yini as an organization.
Right, ngifuna ukubonisa kahle ungizwe kahle ne. When we say umuntu, we talk of a human being angithi. Umuntu ungumoya. You are a spiritual being in the Christian whatever understanding angithi. You are a spiritual being. Meaning culture yakho is also spiritual.
Yes.
Angithi. So sihlushwa ngumoya.
Yebo.
That is why ngithe mina abantu bagcwele emasontweni bagcwele ezinyangeni and whatsoever, but there is no help there.
Ngiyazwisisa.
To solve what? Umoya lo onguwe. Are we together?
Yes.
Ngoba ngalahleka manje usulahleke forever ku interview ngoba manje ngikhuluma ngefoundation yomoya. The foundation of the spirit, which is our problem, which is an identity problem.
Okay.
So siku era right now emoyeni in the spiritual realm okuthiwa i-restoration. We are correcting, or ngithi umoya is correcting what went wrong.
What went wrong?
Exactly. Ngoba khona manje
Ngiyakubuza khona what went wrong?
ngoba ngangiyayo lapho eku-answereni. Khona manje wena uthi uhleli lapho ungitshela ukuthi umkhulu wakho wayeney'nkomo ey'ningi nembuzi ey'ningi. Hayi mkhulu wayi-right. Wena why ungenakho lokho yakuzwisisa. So which means something went wrong.
Okay.
So we are in that era, and we want to correct that. Neldozi wants to correct that. And I'm saying to you, that correction, ayikho enyangeni, ayikho church, ayikho kumprofet.
Okay.
So which makes it ingulo yabantu now. And until people understand that, we still have some more time kula ama-entities sikule kuma-entities angasoze asisize next. Now, point number 1, ngithe mina umuntu ungumoya, so underline that. Any culture ungumoya.
Yes. And kunezinto obokhokho bethu ababenazo esingasenazo.
Right.
Manje.
Yes. So we want to correct that so that we can return to that.
Okay.
Ngoba i-life yethu is not making sense.
All right, Ngulo. Lapho sengulandelile ngakuzo.
Usungizwile?
What went wrong?
Yeah, what went wrong? There are things that went wrong, especially when it comes to identity or the foundation of. Ngoba wena ukuze ube ngusipho kune foundation yakho.
Ekasipho.
Ekasipho. Any foundation yakho ingumoya ohlupha wena.
Okay.
Ngoba wena you are a spiritual being. You are not just usipho lo esimbona in the flesh. There is also Sipho who is actually spiritual and who actually existed before the flesh.
Yeah. Ngiyakuzwa. Ngiyakulandela.
Uyangilandela?
Yeah, ngiyakulandela.
Usemoyeni?
Ngiyakulandela.
Okay.
Yes, I'm following.
Yeah.
I'm still waiting for an answer for you to tell me what went wrong. You said there is a life in the past that maybe our ancestors and the life in the past that they enjoyed. And yes, according to your view.
Yes.
And then something went wrong.
Yeah.
And we're not enjoying that. Something went wrong spiritually.
Yes.
And
yes.
So I want to find out what is it that went wrong.
Yeah, angithi yabona ukuthi umoya is not just something that you. In fact, you can't just live as a spiritual being uthi when you are pillar. That is why you find people go to churches.
Yes. Abantu bayahamba bedinga usizo baprofitile ezinyangeni.
Emasontweni babe kuba prophet bahambe ezinyangeni because umoya lo awukwazi ukumane uphile sipho. Kunezinto ezenziwayo kulomzimba womoya kufana nawe physical. You can't just live without eating. You can't live without bathing. You can't. So umoya, the spirit inside that body also has its own demands. Okumele zenzakale. That is why you find people go to churches, baye ezinyangeni benze. You see. So the whites, when they arrived, they could tell ukuthi abantu laba these black people ngithi umuntu is pretty much impilo yakhe aligned kakhulu in the spiritual background sakhe. Baqala ukuintroduce izinto that disturbs that structure or that system. Ngoba
Are you talking about Christianity?
Well, I'm talking about Christianity ngoba yona popular ngithi. Ngoba ekhaya kini abakini wena, maybe you may know it or you may not know it, but bangabantu ababethethela, for instance. I make an example.
Yes.
Ukuthethela kusuke kusenziwa ngumsebenzi owenzelwa umoya. Angithi?
Yes.
But now you can't just thethela. Kunomuntu obamba inkezo, for instance. And most of the time you find ukuthi umuntu ozobamba inkezo ngubaba womuzi. But manje uSipho sokumele ayosebenza angazi kumbe kobulawayo kumbe sokumele aye ewenela or sokumele abe kuphi ayithola because of the demand esikhona. The government is now saying uSipho must pay rates or taxes or tax angithi uSipho beyihlalele phela umuntu kahle bezihlalele enenkomo zakhe lima whatever, there was no issue. But when the white
Were we not
government,
paying taxes to our chiefs?
the white government, when it took over, it introduced these things
Like which things? Christianity
like
and
money.
taxes. But we were paying taxes to our chiefs. Induna zethu besibhadala itribute phela.
Yeah, but induna kahle kahle ayibhadalwa Sipho.
Yenzani?
Uma usiya enduneni uhamba nesibongo.
Yikho phela sikutshoyo khona kuyana ukuthi now we are paying tribute to
Yeah, but
to the chiefs.
the white people, when they arrived, they said to you, you must pay tax, and that tax was money. There
Is it not the same thing, different
There
names?
was even tax for dogs. Ukuthi unenja wena kwakho, you must pay tax.
Yes. Amakhiwa maybe abuya ne-version yabo, but we had our own version of taxes, which was tribute. It could be annual tribute.
Sipho, are you defending white people right now?
I'm not defending white people. I'm saying ukuthi ama-taxes did not only come with white. Inhlala kahle vele yayivele ibhadalwa.
Okay, fair enough. But what I'm saying, what I'm trying, ngiyacheka phela ngebe ngathola ukuthi kuseseney'mpimpi manje ezisasebenzela ama-whites. La we are moving forward.
Yes. So I'm saying the issue yama-taxes akusengulo leyo. Le into
Hayi,
ekade ivele
wait,
khona
but
esikweni.
understand the way I'm saying. Ngithi mina ubune-structure wena ekhaya kini or umuntu
Yes.
ethethela ngenza umzekelo wokuthethela
Yes.
enguyena obamba inkezo ekhaya manje ugovernment sekathi sokufunakala imali ubaba loya angenayo leyo mali sokufuneka yodinga umsebenzi ukuze abe nemali to pay ugovernment, otherwise is in trouble angithi.
Yes.
And ngaleso sikhathi bekuhanjwa isikhathi. That is why you find ukuthi kunabo wenela eSouth Africa today which were mines. That took a whole lot of fathers of Zimbabwe going there. Usehambile ubaba ukuthi ubuya nina sikwazi. Ngubani ozosala esenza isintu lesiya sokuthethela ekhaya? Disturbance.
Bekungayenziwa ngamazibulo lokho.
Hayi phela yangithi yabona ukuthi if lento isenzwa ngubaba.
Oma esaphila.
Yabona. Hayi asilindeni ubaba azafike. Ubaba sazi ukuthi ubuya nini. Eventually all those things they get lost. They come in, so kufika abafundisi, missionaries, they disturb all those things. So there's a whole lot of things that happen as that disturb ini isintu sethu lesi. That is why we find ourselves right now sisogola. Yikho ngithi it's time for restoration. Idlozi selicorrecta lokho ngithi umoya sucorrecta lokho. That is where we are. So akusavumi noma esontweni, akusavumi noma enyangeni, akusavumi noma kumprofeti. Uyakuzwisisa? Ngoba yi-solution yakhona ikuphi? Isekhaya lapha ya.
Okay. Senguthola ke nawo ukuthi ukhuluma ngani.
Iba semoyeni ngoba sazosizwa.
So wona into okhuluma ngayo is umdeni kahle kahle.
Thank you very much. Ngoba indaba yesintu ongithi hayi abantu ngeke bangizwe asikhulume if indaba yedlozi ngithi amadlozi it's about that family structure.
Kune ngulo like are you talking about ingulo personally to a person ingulo yesizwe because kunamadlozi efamily kunamadlozi esigaba kunamadlozi esizwe.
Elaborate as
no, I won't elaborate on that because I'm saying when I'm following you to say ingulo, but now you are coming to break it down to say okay, there can be a problem within the family, there can be a problem within isigaba, a community, and so ngaba ne problem elizweni.
Like njengamanje eZimbabwe we have a spiritual problem.
Nase Israel bane spiritual problem, nase America bane spiritual problem, nase UK bane spiritual problem.
But if you put it like that, then you understand.
Yakwasi ngade wo UK ngulo kunama suicide cases amaningi. There are drug abuse cases amaningi. Banama healthcare places are full of drug addicts amaningi than us. So nabo baneyabo ingulo ngayo. Are you saying nabo balahla they are spiritual or what?
But angithi for you to know effect you must study the original.
Yes, that's why I'm saying all right, when I bring it home.
So ngizama ukuthi mina ngithi wena mawufuna understand yakhe inkinga as a Zimbabwean, study your problem.
Don't study your family problem.
Right. Angithi. And as Zimbabwe we have a spiritual problem.
nase goli bane spiritual problem.
But you should ask what is the problem. Because
All right, Zimbabwe. Yes, what is the
won't
problem?
understand.
What is the problem in Zimbabwe?
Moya. We have a spiritual problem in Zimbabwe. Angithi. And we need to solve that for us to be free. It's not making sense. We have the most expensive cars, but Chinese. Because you will buy an expensive car and you drive it to my portal.
So, according to you, Ngulo, what should happen in a normal place? Because if you're saying Zimbabwe, we have the strongest currency.
Yes.
People are not progressing in life, and we have countries.
No, not that they are not progressing. They are progressing, but I'm trying to say to you, kufana ukuthi ngususe wena ekasi ngiyekuhlalisa eSebhabha, but mangithi ngiyafika eSebhabha ngithola ukusokuphila impilo yekasi. Ngithola uSipho in an expensive house upheka ngeparaffin, and I'm asking myself, kanti Sipho wasebenzisa iparaffin stove when useSebhabha. What's wrong with you?
Okay.
There must be a difference.
So what is the problem in Zimbabwe then?
It's a spiritual problem.
So what spiritually went wrong specifically in Zimbabwe now?
Yes, akusekho siko elenziwayo eZimbabwe. Angithi. And isiko lelana, it needs a spiritual leader, or phecelezi in the converted commas kuthiwe it needs a king. Uyakuzwisisa? A king is a person who is spiritually anointed, like in Britain. You've got King Charles. Well, he passed on. There was Queen Elizabeth. Uyakuzwisisa? Lo muntu lwana is above everyone. He's above the president, or the UK, the premier, is it? Or prime minister, sorry. He's above. He's a spiritual leader. Meaning uyena ophatha inkezo yakuleya ndawo akhulumele isizwe. That's what needs to happen here, because there was uChilisamulu Mambo, angithi kwabuya kwaba khona uKonyamazana Dlamini, nami angithi sengiyikha nje la eduze. Ongithi before uChilisamulu there was uChibundule Kami. Do you know where is Kami?
Kami prison.
No, not
I know Kami prison.
not Kami prison. Not Kami prison. Or next to Kami prison, there is a Kami ruins. There was Chibundule there, who was a king. Then after him came Chilisamulu, who took over from him. Uchibundule lwana wayengundlovu. Kwabuya kwathatha over uChilisamulu wahlala entabeni zikaMambenyathi. Wayengumoyo. Do you know those places?
I'm listening.
And then uChilisamulu lwana umoyo wakhishwa embusweni wakhe nguKanyamazane Dlamini, wayeliswazi, wayengumfazi, queen. And thereafter then arrived Mzilikazi. Then kwaba khona uLobhengula, and that was it. Up to today, then the white people took over.
Yes.
So that's another.
Then we fell sick where khonapho amakhiwe sebuya.
Phela ngithi mawubuswa Sipho uzo phila impilo yalowo ubusayo.
Okay.
Njengamanje everybody is sounding shorter, but anyway, we'll talk about that ngelinye ilanga. Ngoba ibona baphethe.
Yes. I'm listening. So eZimbabwe sikula ini.
Yeah.
Exactly. We are saying.
So into liyana ukuze isolveke kufunakala a spiritual leader. Now ngimentionile all these leaders, they are gone anymore. So there is a need of a new leader who also ozokwazi ukukhulumela ilizwe laphayana eMsamo. Afika athi sinenkinga eZimbabwe abantu abadala singenze njani uthi kulungise lokho. Bamtshele akwenze kusolveke emoyeni. Remember,
any country that you know ekwenzayo khonokho that has had positive progress?
Well, if you look at South Africa, it's got spiritual leaders. Though now they are British protectorate, but they are there. Like Machambi Potalana, you would find that there is a king in Govenda. Bapedi, they have their own king. Amaswati ngale, they have their own king. KwaZulu, Koninkosi, Batswana khona bakwena bakuba nenkosi yakubona into njalo.
So so are you saying like maybe for thina bemthwakazi we should have our own king la ngale kube lo muntu mutapa la yabuye umambo abe khona khona phana? Are you saying that?
Yes, you need a leader in any form of area of people stay. But you need to understand the spirit involvement in one's life.
Okay.
Mawungakuzwisisi lokho vele kuba nzima ukuthi ukuzwisise. Ngoba umuntu ungumoya and there must be
A spiritual representative.
Leader.
That's what you're saying.
yes. Kufana nokuthi ikhaya langakini ukuze libe ikhaya. There must be a leader. So that is why you find these white people when they diagnose you, they will say, no, Sipho is behaving like this because, he comes from a broken family. And you see all those kind of things. Because in a broken family, it's difficult for you to have a child that will behave 100%. You have a ukuthi la kune problem. The other part of this family is not here.
Okay.
Because ubaba emdenini he plays a very big role. No mama plays a very big role. But into lani kanqamuka now, the kids thereof, they will show ukuthi ngiphuma emdenini onqamukile, where there is no father.
Okay.
Amachita, they will tell you, that girl, she's got daddy issues, dog. Don't go there. You understand? Because ukhule kungenababa. So ubaba plays a very vital role.
But kunokunye phela esintwini ukuthi for the purposes of what one's destiny, they will then have to lose a father or lose a mother.
No, of course.
We've had those cases.
Of course. But what I'm Zamindeng is, as Zimbabwe, we have a spiritual problem. Why? Because we don't have a spiritual leader. We've got a leader, but not a spiritual leader.
So utinganaba spiritual leaders of a church nan. You said they are not eligible anymore.
Ngithe mina nginike 1% osehambe esontweni Sipho. Wathi mina I'm healed. Angisabuyeli kulela sonto. One. There's none. You've got people.
Abahambe esintwini bakhona futhi nabo phela.
No, nasesintwini there is an issue. Ngoba abantu laba seba commercialize lezinto. They are just making money out of this.
Okay.
You see? Ukuthi we know ukuthi uSipho needs a spiritual house or home or leader, then I will just make money out of him. Ufika uhlale kumprofeti akutshele wena Sipho ukuthi izolo udleni, akusasa phela wena usazopheka vele ukudla okunje nawe ujabule. Sipho, your phone number starts with 0, it ends with 978. You are happy with that information. But that information, it does not help you. You get what I'm trying to say. They're just making money. So we need a spiritual leader in the country for Zimbabwe to be okay.
Okay.
Because right now we've got issues in Zimbabwe. But in the midst of those problems, there's also good things that are happening. But in majority, njengamanje we are approaching this SADC setup and conference that is coming in. There are others that are threatening to toy and whatever. It's a problem that we have. But we need to have a spiritual leadership. As a solver, umoya, then we'll be 100% okay, yes, Zimbabwe. And in things I'm moving into liyana, it's not going to happen as long as abantu beZimbabwe nabo benenkinga. We have an identity crisis in the country.
Okay.
uSipho ehleli lana akazazi ukuthi ungubani. Nobaba ehleli laphana akazazi, nobaba ehleli laphana akazazi, nalobaba ehleli laphana akazazi.
So are you generally assuming with everyone or says Zimbabwe akazazi?
I don't assume, I know what I'm saying. Uyazazi Sipho wena.
Mina personally speaking, me I know. myself and where I come from.
Who are you?
I mean, no one I know where I come from, who I am, who my ancestors are, what they did, and that knowledge is always passed each and every time to our family.
Oh.
Yes, we know where we come from. Me personally, I can tell you, I know where I come from.
Where do you come from?
Like, where do I come from? As in how? I come from Nangwagonyati.
Wawonyati.
Yes.
Unyati ngubani?
Unyati ngubani njani? Unyati it's my Unyati. Yes.
Ngubani unyati sisi?
Unyati.
Eh.
Unyati, it's me, it's my father, it's my grandfather's father. Unyati is my family lineage. Unyati is the great ancestor in my family in whom we are identified with.
Okay. Unyati ubaba wakho.
Yes.
Ubaba wakho walobola umama wakho waqeda.
Yes.
Okay. Ngoba manje ndoda hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe I'm trying to, but iproblem esinayo angithi. We've got a lot of people claiming izibongo zabakubo kababa wabo, but kungamelanga abazisebenzise because ubaba wakhona akazange enze okufanele ngesintu, akazange athatha umama wakhona.
So in my case, I'm never wabhadala walobola waqeda do akuna story lapho, and he always breaks about that. Engachaye
Ungamlweli si.
ngajani?
Ungamlweli.
Hayi ngisuthi ngiyamlwela ubaba bengachaye uyathi mama amkhipha izicathulo walobola waqeda. Ngutshela ngento because my father is a comedian like me, uyatshona uhleka. Wena into abreaka ngazo. Uyananzelela? It's one of his breaking rights ukuthi mina ngumuntu onjani owalobola waqeda. So are you saying mina ngiguli?
Mina ngibona ngathi uyagula. Ubusithi kimona ufuna imali.
Ubani ongafuni imali?
Hayi. Ubusithi wena kimona ufuna imali.
Yes.
So which means you've got issues with money.
Who doesn't have an issue with money? Yes, mina imali ngiyayifuna personally. Yes, mishi underground gang inombuzo
Uba kuke wakhuluma ngokuthi kulabantu abasebenzisa izibongo zakolwababa. Yes, they are not supposed to ukuthi bezisebenzise because maybe ubaba akakhiphanga
ilobolo waqeda. Yes.
Nxa engakhiphanga ilobolo waqeda, does it mean ukuthi umntwana akasuka khona ngale?
Yeah. Hayi bachila sikuma cameras. Yeah, into bengisiya lapho. So I wanted to give Usipho like what we call a background, mawuzobhala whatever yabona.
Yes.
Yeah, argument. The point that I was trying to say to you was we have a spiritual problem and we want to correct that. Umuntu being a spiritual being. So if you understand that, then you know how to treat umoya lo. We actually says, for instance, if you have a car, as example, you know what your car needs petrol, and it tire linga try kwenza lokho. Lingaphuma umoya, which means there's a kumende or something. If ever you see, you need to service that car. And I want people to understand ukuthi impilo yabo le abayiphila ingumoya. So it's got a certain things that needs to be done to treat it so that ihlale healthy. Iphume kule ngulo. Uyakuzwisisa. So I was coming there because lento ayibuzayo is what I call is a foundation yomuntu.
Where they come from.
Where they come from. Angithi. So ngoba umoya lo unama formula, and isibongo is one of the first formulas of umuntu.
Okay.
Uyakuzwisisa.
So kunabantu now sesibuya kuhle sengikuconsider ngale
Okay.
the rest ekade sikhona.
All right.
Sesibuya kuhle kunabantu according to ingulo
Yes.
Yes. Asho nasi ime sengingulo kuzeni according to ingulo kunabantu ababulawa isibongo.
Yeah, in majority of people in the country, they suffer because of isibongo.
Mina ikho ngubuzela ukuthi lina as an organization ingulo yakwabantu. What are the problems that early now that are being faced by people are a problem
Yeah,
kakhulu?
isibongo is a problem kakhulu. Because isibongo is
Now you are talking.
isibongo is what identifies umuntu. Ongithi usipho. Isibongo is what identifies you. Ngoba uthe wena ungakonyati.
Yes.
So ngihamba ngibuze ngizobuza abantu ukuthi niyamazi usipho wakonyati bathi konyati laphana. You see?
Yes.
Bangikhombe ikhaya. So it means you belong there. You are of there. Though like everything of you is there. But that is the problem now because people don't follow the right protocol of the spirit.
What
Yeah, you understand. Ngoba usipho uzohamba thola intombi laphayana ayishele bazwane, next thing there is a baby and then kuthiwe hayi umntwana lona wow kubo kayise. And it's not the case. It's not the case. A child belongs to two people. I mean, the mother and the father.
Yes.
But spiritually speaking, umntwana vele automatically belongs to the mother. Ngoba noma ungakubuka physically, umama nguye who does almost everything of the child. You know, should that child will grow
Nurturing
inside her for 9 months, aphume, breastfeed her, or the child, or what, everything ngale ngane belongs. That is why abelungu will say, what is your mother tongue? Then they're able to identify you. If you speak Shona, they say, they're like, oh, you are from Mashonaland. If you speak Indebele lessons, they will say, you get it. Because of the mother, what is your mother tongue?
Okay.
But
is that not like a figure of speech to say
Aye.
mother tongue?
No, but now, what has gone wrong now is these mothers now, bona, bafuna ukudayisa ingane ukuthi hayi ingane le yakusiya lapha koncube nyakibo kobani because of the father. Kanti lento ehlupha ingane. Ngikhuluma ngomoya. Spiritual, formula. Again, formula, isibongo is the formula of the spirit. When say formula, I want you to go back to school. Angithi wangena ku lab.
Yes.
Usenza ama sciences.
Yes.
Angithi you mix this chemical and this chemical to get that. So masikhuluma ngomoya sikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu for instance. Angithi kuthiwa uNkulunkulu ungumoya. God is a spirit.
Yes.
Yazi ngakhuluma
Yes.
isikhiwa uzongizwa. So God is a spirit. So you need to connect phela ngithi
To the spirit.
to the spirit. Ususithi spirit, I want a car. Again, spirit isithi take.
So inguli bisingena ngaphi mayise spirit says take.
Yeah, now this is the thing now which is very interesting. Ubusufika wena uthi God, hi God, it's me, Sipho Esbanda. You don't connect to the spirit.
Why?
Because you are not Sipho Esbanda. You are Sipho Nyati.
Okay. I'm following.
Ungalahleki Sipho. Again.
Yes.
Because you are not identifying you correctly
Ngulo
to the spirit.
Spiritually, according to my own knowledge and understanding, kunabantu ukuthi uyakhona ukuthi yena ngibo besebenzisa usibanda.
Bengasibo bakosibanda.
Bengayisibo bakosibanda kodwa be connect ngesibongo sakosibanda.
Ayikho leyo.
Hayi ngulo kukhona.
Ubani owako connect.
Kunabantu abavale ingozi ngezibongo zabo original.
Hayi, mdala wami. Wena ungamix lezi zinto lezi Sipho. Ngithembela sizo correcta. And that's what idlozi was.
Wasunika umzekeliso wakho
ukuthi why you find.
Wanika umzekeliso ukuthi kunomuntu ongasebenzisa isibongo sakosibanda ayehlule ukuconnect. Kunabantu abavika ingozi besebenzisa ezinye izibongo beconnect. So uthini ngalabo?
Hayi Sipho. wena ungayibeka njalo uzolahlekisa abantu. People won't understand. Ngoba right now labantu bayahlupheka bahlushwa isibongo.
Yes, kunabanye abantu abavika ngezibongo into zibahambele phela ngulu.
Angisoze ngivumelane nakho lokho.
Azakuza umunye umuntu bemtshela
So nxa ufika laphana kumele ukhonekhe ngesibongo sikabani. Esikamama esikababa.
Right. Bengisala lapho uSipho inkinga.
ngulu yabona into okhuluma ngayo.
Sipho.
Ayina formula. Uyikhulume kuhle lento le ayina formula le.
No, the spirit has a formula, Sipho. If you don't understand the formula of the spirit, you won't connect to the spirit. That is why today we are suffering, Sipho.
Ngulu kunabanye abantu abathi mabesenza imikhuba yabo. Bengaqambi ezinye izinto engathi njengezibongo zona lezi. Bevika ingozi. Kube nabanye abantu abasebenzisa izibongo ezingayisizo sabo. Bekwazi ukuthi bona bayenzani ngakibo ngulu.
Isipho. Wena ungayibeka njalo uzoqhubeka ulahlekile. Ikho ngithe kuwe uya.
Akuna formula phela lokhu ngulu ukuthi kune format A1 ukuthi vele umuntu yena kwamele yenze so. Lento le ngulu that's why isembuya kundaba yakho yesibongo. Lento ngulu it's complicated.
No, it's
ayina
not
formula
complicated. It's not complicated, Sipho. Lento is simple. Indaba yedlozi is very simple, Sipho. It's about the identity of idlozi. And you can't approach it wena ngalendlela wena uthi ufike badala ngiyazi ngakuba kuba abantu abaningi njengamanje abazazi Sipho because they go run take their father's surnames angithi obaba bengalobolanga ayizukusebenza lento.
That's a special case esikhuluma ngayo. Kunabanye abantu okunezibongo ongamelanga bezisebenzise ngenxa yokuthi obaba balobolanga.
Yeah, but you're talking about the majority of people. See, I think now we deal with these cases on a daily basis. There are people right now who can't get pregnant because of that issue. People get involved in accidents because of that issue. Umuntu apakama abe nemali eningi. Angithi avuke wile because of lesi sibongo why?
Phela sometimes yabona le ngulu emali. Yabona imali le kulama economic dynamics ukuthi abanye abantu sometimes ngokungabali news abantu sebejikele emoyeni ezinto ezingekho emoyeni kune simple thing ukuthi hayi ndoda lapha imali sitshintsha from ibond sesiya kuziki wona lokhu ubuthelela amazigi endlini just ignore lokhu ubuthelela amabond endlini izigi imali ngena bethi ibond lesasebenza usituloyiwe kunezinye izinto ngulu ezayenzakalayo just because of ignorance.
No, true, but what I'm saying is okay, what you say about those that fall into accidents.
And especially
wait, let me give an example.
Especially
there's a family I know. Every year they buy ngcwaba. And umuntu babe ngcwaba. Uyabe bule akazifeli natural. What do you say to that?
Avela nje ngapha kithi kubo dakhe umuntu ngazifeli.
Uloyiwe.
Avele ngapha umuntu uhlaleloyiwe ukuthi ngaba umuntu ofeya ofayo bachila feya ukuthi hayi lo ukhohlelile wafa hayi kuthiwa vele wafela kwamqhawula umsalukazi lwana kwahloka kwa igame over.
Well ngama conclusions that people make. But thina abantu bomoya sabe sikwazi what is the issue lapha yana Sipho. You understand? Yabe kune nkulumo kumele yenzeke lapha ya. Yukuzisisa. Umuntu akaphili kuphela. That is why I was making emphasis of ukuthi ungumuntu zwisisa ukuthi you are a spiritual being. That's very important. It's like calling yourself a Zimbabwean. Again, you know ukuthi if you are going to be called a Zimbabwean, you must have an identity. Isithupha kumele ube naso Sipho. Uyakuzwisisa? Kumele ube ne-passport. Nginamanga.
Ngiqinisile.
Ngoba ungatholakala ufile ngaphandle, they must know who is this, whose body is this. Bakusearche bathole isithupha bathi hayi ngusipho. Uyakuzwisisa? So nasemoyeni kunjalo mntana wami.
Yangiyali ngiyafuna. Ikuthi safuna ukuthi ungithathe sibili ungijulise lento le inkulu.
So I want you to
Ngingasuki lapha ngiyiphumputhe.
so
Ufuna ukusuka lapha ngizwe
bengafuna ukuthi kumane ngithi mina hayi kunje bengifuna understand the deep when I say a human being is a spiritual being.
I understand that.
And
Umuntu
the
ungumoya.
identity of that spiritual being is a surname. That is why majority now ungafika uhlala phambi komprofeti uzothi hayi wena usebenzisa isibongo esiyiso, but lo muntu ngoba isinto akasunderstand abese sithi hambe edinga ubaba wakho wena. Angithi so gijima wena you looking for this baba, angithi mhlawumbe umthole, but still into zakho zingalungi, in fact zibe worse,
Because the spiritual life is more than a surname. Yikho embuya khona mina.
not ukuthi it's more than a surname. Lo muntu ukulahlekisile wathi hambe edinga ubaba wakho. You don't belong to your father, you belong to your mother. He should have just said to you, hayi la une issue ye surname, not ukuthi isibongo lesi sako mama wakho sine problem, but kunomsebenzi ofune kuwenze la kuphela ngakibo ka mama wakho uyakuzwisisa, but ngoba isintu akasazi. Manje ngizama ukufundisa isintu ukuthi kusasa bathi uSipho mthakathi umuntu lwana sebekubona unemali awusipho mthakathi. Manje wena uyibewala wathi wena ubaba wakho
Ubuthakathi yini nkulu? Ngicela ukuzwisisa yini ubuthakathi?
is to influence a certain outcome. So we call ubuthakathi. Ngithathe lokhu nalokhu ngikuhlanganise ngithi mina ngifuna kwenzeke so. Ubaba kumele ayothatha umfazi. Babika bakibo kamfazi ukuthi nangu obani okobani uzothatha ubani umntanami lo usesiya kobani le. Angithi maye fika ngalo umfazi abikwe ngesinto athelwe ngenyongo. If into le ayenzekanga Sipho, I don't care how long you've been married. Whether wena wakhambe echurch wafika wahlanganiswa ngumfundisi kwathiwa let's bless the rings, what they do. Umfundisi wa bless ama-ring waqeda lapho wena wathatha umfazi wahamba wakwenza abantwana labana baphakathi kwenkinga yesibongo ngoba akwenziwanga sintu, ngoba thina singumuntu. You understand identity now? Thina singumuntu, yikho kuthiwa ngumuntu munu.
So
Muthu.
kune problem yesibongo kube kuba nama problems anamanye or yonke problem.
But you must remember phela we can have problems Sipho, but there is a cause of the problem.
So the cause
There's always a cause of the problem. So when ungafocus kuba problems, focus on the cause, because if we singakusiza kuma problems but singakusizi ku cause ye problems, then what's the use?
so sengithatha back to indaba yakho oqale ngayo uthe eZimbabwe, so eZimbabwe sine problem yesibongo.
Isine problem yomoya. Angithi and leyo problem yomoya ukuze isolveke, it needs a spiritual leader. 1, 2, it needs the nation to be spiritually healthy. But how can they be spiritually healthy when they have a spiritual identity problem? Because that is the foundation of umoya.
So then does that not become a continental issue to say Africa?
Well, you could say continental issue, but why should we worry so much about abantu abakude? Let's talk about what we have here.
So then why don't we then not break it down to say Ndebele issue? Why don't we then to break it down to an individual issue? All right, umuntu nguzwile ubuye kahle wathi umuntu une problem 1 emdenini, 2 umuntu une problem esibongweni.
Yeah, but you need to understand something, Sipho. That is why when you nguzwile, you like to say sizo sakumthwakazi.
Yes.
So which means there's the person who made up that sizwe. Angithi ongasekho.
Yes.
Angithi. So and which means now isizwe sakumthakazi must solve this issue, right? As isizwe, right?
Okay.
So ungafuna ukugoqela wena kakhulu, yikho ngithe mina understand yourself. Ungumuntu
Ngiyakuzwa.
Umuthu that's isuthu. Umuntu loya ngesi umuntu ulapho wena. So meaning spiritual sense yakho iyafana with anyone who falls under that muntu. The same issue, we can talk about it in Zimbabwe, we can talk about it in Botswana, we can talk about it in Zambia, we can talk about it in Malawi. Ngoba ngabantu laba.
Yes. So what should we then do, Ngolo, when njengodokotela you've identified that there is a problem? Abantu benze njani?
Yikho phela ngisithi mina. Inkinga isibongo lesi. Earlier on I said mina.
Kunabantu Ngolo.
Abantu bagcwele emasontweni.
Yes.
But they are not finding solution. Abantu bagcwele ezinyangeni, but they are not finding a solution. Abantu bagcwele kuba prophet, but they are not finding a solution. Abantu bagcwele esigangeni sakobulawayo today, but they are not finding a solution. Why? Because the solution is not there.
So kunabantu
isibongo sakuphi sasekhaya sipho.
So kunabantu abangena nkinga yesibongo.
There's few of them as we speak.
So benze njani abangena nkinga yesibongo bana problems one. So in your cases mounting ngena problem yesibongo uja kuba nengulo yani.
Hayi sipho yabona
so bonke ababuya kuwe bane problem yesibongo.
Lalela sipho. Don't try and sugarcoat this thing. We have a problem, an identity problem.
I think kunabantu abane identity.
We have an identity problem. We because we don't follow in, you see. Isintu and our practices esintu. We lost that.
Why wona
That's why besikhuluma ngama whites and Texas.
Why ungaqonga page? Why ungathiwa kwenzani?
For your own information isipho indaba yalento izinto lezi akusindaba izona.
Akusindaba yani?
Impahla lezi esigqokile. It's not a yesterday thing. Etkami lana kade sikhuluma ngayo sipho. Wise people in the Portuguese and whatsoever, they used to come ngalezi zinto lezi and amakhosi laphana bebanikeze igolide and they're given these things. Uyakuzwisisa? Akusindaba yayizona.
Why ungavula?
Ungasithathi kancane singabantu abamnyama ucabanga ukuthi okungamelanga or we can't progress. Hayi. Times have changed, sipho. Kwakuvele kukhanjwa ngesikhathi. Yinto kahle yasusa impi. Even today we are still fighting for that. We're fighting for land. Uyakuzwisisa? Or manje uzokufaka kwenye topic.
Hayi ngiyakulandela.
We have an identity problem, Sipho, in the country, and it's causing social problems.
Yes.
Yayibona. Yikho ngithemba mina, if you look into your life, you'll find ukuthi your father or your grandfather at your age now, he had achieved more than you.
I said to
Yet wena uku 2024.
Ubaba engangami, were they not political and economic dynamics that favored that setup to say yena abe nendlu ngesikhathi sena lesi abe nezimota abe landlani? And then I'm in a different political era and economic era, not only in Zim, worldwide.
Yeah,
there is a political and
but
economic shift.
Your father possibly was earning £5 a month or 5 pence. You are probably getting almost 1,000.
And by then, I think there was no visa to my finger Britain. I think why hambe from Africa kata hambe Britain.
There was no aeroplane. So we understand. But ngizama ukubonisa something. Ukuthi khona izinto ezingumoya ezikuvimbayo to achieve what your grandparent at your age achieved.
I will then come to that and say, I think in terms of customs and cultural and traditions, labes fela kubo babe nesibindi is different kunesethu.
Well, angazi, but mina into engiyaziyo.
Mina ngiyakwazi.
Into engiyaziyo ukuthi we have a spiritual problem, you see. We can laugh about it, believe me.
I agree to that, but I'm saying, would it take me to Ingulo kahle kahle? All right, kuhamba kanje.
but I've already chaza Sipho ngathi mina
Ngiyakuzwa.
sinenkinga yesibongo.
But asithi sonke sinenkinga yesibongo ngoko.
Ah, wena ungayibeka njalo you miss it because uzophuma la
Hayi phela kwaso
ungazwisisanga.
so kumele ngizifake umkhuhlane engingenawo.
Hayi Sipho you're sick man. Uyagula man. Kanti wena waba nenkani wena ugula.
Why ungiforce a certain identity to say
Hayi.
the identity into engenayo?
Hayi ndoda ngani ngiyakuforsa into engasiyo.
Yes.
You're sick.
Ay good ay. Yes, I'm sick as other people to say wona nami ngiyayifuna imali, nami ngiyayifuni.
Abantu wangayitholi.
Hayi wona ungayithola unti imali
Hayi,
nazo no
lalela,
Bill Gates ethi nazo hayi imali yami sekwanile no Bill Gates like this locating.
No, Sipho. No, ungazifanele no Bill Gates. Bill Gates is probably, I don't know, maybe 20 times richer than anyone that you can think of. In fact, he's running your life as we speak.
Bill
Ekhona
Gates.
le America. That's how rich he is. He's able to tell ukuthi I want to Sipho next year ukuthi agule ephathwe yini. He's probably right now they're probably busy constructing the new STD. When usabambele kuthiwa yini i-drop.
Okay Nkulu
Bona they are now working on something new.
abantu abakudingayo bakuthola kuphi?
Ah well. What the solution is really solution before bengidinga.
Kuthiwa identity. Try to find your identity. Know where you come from.
All right, to cut things short, Sipho, abantu they have an identity problem. Basikhuluma ngama-identity, sikhuluma ngama-issues of surname. Angithi. There are people that are using ama-surnames angasibo, ongasiyo kufuneka ngabe awasebenzisa. Why? Because ubaba Sipho kumele athathe umama wakho ngendlela yesintu ayenze ama-practices yesintu. Mangakwenzanga lokho wena njengomntwana uzoba nama-issues empilweni, uzoba neyinkinga, uzokula because of that.
Okay.
Uyakuzwisisa? At the present moment you've got people that are advising abantu wrong, bathi kubo hambe edinga ubaba wakho. Uzodinga umuntu ongazange akudinge noma ungamthola uzokwenzelani.
Nkulu, okay, like you are having one diagnosis for. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but Usipho you should be ngabe ubuza ukuthi what is the correct way of ukulobola. Bese siyachaza ngomoya.
But not everyone suffers the same thing. Akunanto enjalo bafethu.
Usipho naye kuyena uhleli phezukwayo angifuni ugcine sengathi ngiyaprofita kanti.
Hayi akunazi profit lapho.
Hayi asikho lapho. Asizelanga lokho. Mina ngizama ukumbonisa. That is why Sipho today you find ukuthi even umuntu othwasayo ahlale ethwasa for isikhathi eside ungaphumi lutho. Why? Because they are not addressing the foundation. Ukwelapha esintwini kuqala ngesibongo Sipho. Basi selapha umoya osemzimbeni wakho. Uyakuzwisisa? So if wena uzofika enyangeni lo mntwana unamadlozi. Amadlozi akobani? That's what needs to be addressed first. If they fail to do that, bazoba busy bakufitha izihlahla benze nothing will happen.
Mini okay.
So, in this case, I'm trying to say to you, Sipho, walile ukungitshela ukuthi how old are you? But usuku aging yokuthi ngabe usunomfazi. Ngenza example.
Yeah.
Kodwa unayo umfazi.
Anginayo mfazi.
Why? Uzothi wena nginamali. Ngithi
Hayi
kuwena
ungabi nomfazi kwami akusiwe imali.
What why?
Hayi okwami ungabi nomfazi. Kuneza anje sengimele ukuthi uyiprofite le ndaba. Eyami indaba yokungabi nomfazi akusomali.
What is the problem?
It's my own reason. Ngabe uyikhulumile ke ukuthi hayi benyavuma ngithi hayi lapho ngiyavuma.
I see.
Yes.
I see.
Akuso issue yemali.
Ora lalela ke Sipho. Uyabona umfazi sengufundisa ukuthi ube indoda yesintu.
Yes.
Angithi. Mawuzoba indoda esintwini kumele ube nomfazi. Why? Because umfazi helps you. Angithi ukwakha umuzi. wedlozi. Because into oyitholayo empilweni uyiphiwa idlozi.
Mina emvela khona Ngulu akusomfazi sinabafazi sithatha 3-2.
Well, angifuni ukuhlala lana ukuthi mina I'm promoting polygamy.
Hayi mina ngikutshela ke
But-
ukuthi mina engivela khona asithathi 1
So,
sithatha 2-3.
ngakini nabafazi abaningi.
Abaningi bafo lapho engivela khona vela abafazi
Kodwa wena
sikhohlwa.
awunawo.
Hayi mina nginezizathu zami zokuthi why ngingabi nomfazi. Kodwa ngitshela ukuthi umfazi kimi akusonto engathi iproblem.
All right, fine. Asiye ukukhuluma.
Of all my problems that I might have, umfazi is the least. Akusonto i-priority kimi. Asonto i-issue there.
Hayi, but you might discover ukuthi uma ungathatha umfazi le mali oyifunayo uzoyithola.
Okay, mawusisho njalo, but then I know.
Anyway.
I know ukuthi hayi.
But into engizama ukuyichaza Sipho.
Umishini
Ngifuna ukuthi abantu baza-identify. Ungazibona uhluleka ukuthatha umfazi.
Yes.
You'll discover ukuthi your father wahluleka naye. Uyakuzwisisa zama uyichaza. No mama wakho naye wahluleka ukulotsholwa. So wena uzokwenza njani if abantu abakuzalayo kwabahlula? You get what I'm trying to say?
But kunama destiny changes. Ngulu kunabantu abathatha ama destiny changes within families.
Sipho,
Wena zelela?
ngwana wenyoka inyoka.
Ngulu kunabantu who esimeni somoya bafakelwa esabo isikhathi ukubana lo ubhajila mayifika yena into ziyoqala ukutshintsha kuye.
Hayi,
Kuvele kuyinto ezotshintsha usendo Ngulu.
Lalela.
Kunabantu ababa isiqalo
Si.
kuma families. Besides ukuthi baba khakanokodanga, mama khakalotsholwanga. Kunabantu abafika bona behle beqalise ukuyenza imbali entsha esimeni sikamoya. Ngingakabuyi esimeni senyama. Uyananzelela? Kunabantu Ngulu okufanana nabantu abanjengabo, for example, in our history. There are people who come and do ezinye izinto zokuthi even now we are wondering how they did them. Abantu abanjengabo Chaka Zulu Ngulu. They are destiny
How
changers
would you
irregardless
wait?
of their history.
Uma ukhuluma ngamakhozi ukhuluma ngabantu bangakini sengubamba umlomo ke Sipho.
Yes. All right, nasengubalela
What amazes you ngoShaka for instance?
uChaka,
What's new to Shaka do?
unifying the creating a Zulu state and the way he did it ngesikhathi azenza ngaso Ngulu.
Ukuthathaphi khona
Hayi,
lokho?
it's
uShaka ubaba wakho wayengusenza ngakhona evele inkosi.
But he was never
Wait.
great as Chaka.
Uh-uh.
Lapha sibuye endaweni yama destiny changes.
Sipho. Ngwana wenyoka, inyoka ngizophinda isitshona futhi. Whatever you do kufana nawe njengamanje ubhizi uhleli phezulu kwamakhamera lapha ngomakhamera yini.
Yes.
There's nothing new onto yenzayo ngakini. There's nothing new about that. Not simple, did not introduce that in a family. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Uyithatha ngakini lento. Ngwana wenyoka inyoka awuzu wabuya nento wena engaziwayo emndenini.
Yebo, okay.
Yeah. Ushaka did not become a king nje out of nowhere. Uvele uzela ngamakhosi. Uyakuzwisisa? So into engizama ukubonisa yona la ukuthi kunomunye umuntu mhlawumbe obukile njengamanje. Ozithola ukuthi lo muntu kuyamehlula ukuthi athathe umfazi, kumbe athathwe njengomfazi abe ngumfazi wenyini. Ehluleke khona lokho athola iboyfriend asuka move aye kule athathole le boyfriend asuke lo yathatha uzokuthiwa usipho inkinga manje usipho une problem manje yazi uhleze ethatha abafazi behamba. Angini ngizama ukubonisa ukuthi umuntu lana unenkinga yesibongo, nothing else. We can sit here siyedinga inyanga ifika icha amatambo ipalisa izinto eziningi kungena into eningi lo muntu lo nenkinga yesibongo. Why? Because isibongo lesiyana is the identity of idlozi elikuye. Angini now ufuna ukuthatha umfazi ayakho umuzi, but wakho umuzi wakobani kufanele ayakho umuzi waleli dlozi elihleli ngakuyena, but yena uthi ngakondlovu. Uyakuzwisisa? So therefore ngeke kuvume mangumela asebenzisa uncube yena sithi Ndlovu uncube lona sozavuma ukuthi athathe umfazi ayakho umuzi wakondlovu, yena kumele ayakho umuzi wakoncube. Zibhaje khona lapha.
They are talking about marital issues. Are they the
Let's
only?
come to financial issues Sipho. Because ngithi mina ingulo le. Financial issues. Angithi
Yes.
what you become in life, whether it's business, it's what, it's a gift from ngakini. From that identity.
But there are people who have surpassed their own identity in terms of financial and marital spaces and issues.
See, angeke uzwazi wena inkinga izinto zabantu. Mina ngithi ngikhuluma from a spiritual perspective here, because we deal with people and we deal with people's issues on a daily basis. By the way, usibongo is taken from the word siyabonga. And you can only say ngiyabonga au uphiwe something. You understand?
Yes, I understand. I understand.
If I say to you, Sipho,
Ngiyabonga.
ngiyabonga, I'm the one who gave you. So meaning the money you have or whatsoever you have, Sipho, you are given by somebody. And I'm saying to you, if when uzobonga wrong kuloyo muntu, yisisho uzofla into liyana. That's why uzokuthiwa ubani wayenemali so how? Uwanjani? Ngoba ubonga wrong. Isibongo Sipho is a major issue
In Africa, in Zimbabwe.
in the black nation. Ushaka ukhuluma ngoShaka wena. Ushaka waphakamisa umbuso wawa. You know why? Do you know why?
Ngitshela sizwe yakhe version.
Because ushaka wagijima waphakamisa ubukhosi lobuyana kwakumele abuphakamise ngakibo kwamama wakhe kwamalume la akhulele khona. Yena wasesithi yena uyagijimisa ubukhosi bakwaZulu.
Ngoba yena itroni yakhe ibekwe kwaZulu phela.
No.
Itroni yakhe yayikwasezona
Idlozi
khona.
liyabe lisithi Sipho, liyabe lihawukele into yakoZulu ngale, lahlanganisa uNandi nonolo kwazala uShaka ukuze uShaka abuye nalento le azoyiphakamisa ngapha ngakibo kamama wakhe. Yena uyiphakamisa ngale, it didn't last long.
Okay, but according to it, that was his destiny. Sometimes the destiny is you are coming to put corrective measures to build a state, not forever.
See,
Maybe mission yake was to just build a Zulu state.
no, he did not build anything.
Mighty.
No, uChaka into oboleki kwami la.
uShaka wakhulela komalumakhe.
But antepho esikhuluma ngelokhu
Isibongo.
ngesibongo. Ngase sikuthale esibongweni.
Yikho phela ngizama ukubonisa something ukuthi idlozi, what you become mkhulu, is what is set by amadlozi angakini. Okay.
Amadlozi angakithi engawazi.
Yikho phela is clear in this case. If uzalelwe wakhulela komalumakho or komama wakho, imaphi amadlozi esikhuluma ngawo? Why should we speak about amadlozi yakobaba wena ukhulele ngapha? It's very clear lento lena, is pure mathematics. Hayi uzokhulela ngalo babe lobolele njani? Kanjani?
Uba befe abakobaba bengakuthandi.
Hayi, guys.
Uba befe abakobaba bengakuthandi.
Guys.
Umama ethi thina siyazigcinela umntwana.
Wait. Awukwazi ukukhulela komalumakho wena uthi wena lo umama wakho wale.
Ama situations in life ngulo
No,
manengi.
there's no situation of life. It's simple telling you ukuthi there's an issue here edinga ukulungiswa. Because idlozi never makes a mistake, Sipho.
Yes.
That is why ngithi
if
wena.
idlozi likubona necessary ukuthi kwamele siqalise a new era. Lizangikhulisela komalume.
It only does that in
And then
new
you
era.
better form you
The
know.
reason why likukhulisela komalumakho wena Sipho is because they want you ukuthi uye resurrect and restore umuzi wakomalumakho. Not the other way around. Uyakuzwisisa? It's still the same case with umzilikazi, for instance. Angithi ukhulela ngale kumandana asuke lapho umzilikazi uyophakamisa ubukhosi ngale koyise. You understand? And today, where is that kingdom?
Which kingdom lasted forever ngulu?
All right. Sipho, ngiyazi ngithembile ekuqaleni ngiluhlanya. Uhlanya vele likhuluma.
Asihlanye sonke. Angicela sihlanye sonke ngulu ngizwisise lento
le.
le.
Uhlanya wena ufuna ukuba proper. Mina ngiluhlanya. Vele into esiyabe sizikhuluma nje ngohlanya ziluhlanya but iziyinto ephilayo. Ngizama ukubonisa something ukuthi impilo yakho Sipho ine foundation and the foundation yayo angithi is an identity which is ilentozana. Wena wathi kimi hayi baba walobola waqeda. Hayi baba kho walobola waqeda mhlawumbe khona okwesinto angazange akwenza. Ngoba iproblem yethu asisazi lesi sinto. Ene lesi sinto singumoya. Into enza ukubonisa yona ukuthi is far better than you ubheke phezulu uthi in the name of Jesus I want to do yena ungenzeki. Ngizama ukubonisa something very basic and very simple. Anta uthawu kakathatha umfazi. Mawungakathatha umfazi the day uzothatha umfazi kumele wazi ukuthi umfazi uyathathwa bangabiza lokho abakubizayo. Hamba uyokuqeda ungathi wena ngikhiphuka ngaziyo therefore usuthatha umntana abantu usiyakwakha. In the spirit it won't register. Fana umuntu ofunda azayofika ku form 4 ahlule ukuya
vele cultural ngulo in the spirit lo umuntu abamkhethileyo uyeza
ekhethwa ngubani futhi
iwo amadlozi ama ancestors am where I come from lo umuntu laba abantu engizobathatha bayabazi and bazobaletha ngase ngiba ignore zibona senithorele phakathi wamitha wabuya ngamlobola ngoba lento le vele angizenzeli mina sengiphila I delayed match
Sipho maybe when usakhula Usipho maybe usakhula
hayi thank you siyabonga so uthe utholakala ngapha hayi ngicela lingcele
Usipho usakhula Sipho abantu bayahlupheka ngaphandle
hayi lapho ngangiyali
usewabona labantu abahamba omatsibaba ukuthi ilanga liyabe litshisa kodwa umuntu elaphana ilanga litshisa ngoba usenhluphekweni and I'm trying to help and to assist those people ngento esimple
yasinedlozi futhi liyakhona ukukubhayizisa lisenza ngabomo ukuthi ufunde isifundo uye kubomatsibaba wona la utshiswe lilanga uthi after years ukhona ngazothi laphana no yeah because into le ayina formula bafo ukuthi wena sungathi wena
you won't understand Sipho
so sungambone umuntu lona ngulo sungambone etshiswa lilanga ehlezi kumazibaba ungamzweli bayakwazi ukuthi why bemkhambisa kwaphana kumele etshiswa lilanga khona phana ihlale kwaphana isifundo sakhe sokukhona
hayi angeke ngivumelane nawe Sipho mina abantu abahanjiswa yinkinga and ngizama ukukunikeza isolution to those things.
As besides ngulo ubana nabantu abahamba amazibaba. The access we are generally in life in terms of the spiritual walk and nama ancestors and everything. Ungathola ukuthi umuntu sengatshona ehlabela simazuba jile ngumuntu ohlabelile lokuzeni I dance hall. Idlozi limenzisa ngabomo. Wese one day evuke equit ethi hlabela igospel umbone ebhowo wephushe siyangale sidla imali yegospel. Benze ngabomo kumhlabela isidingo.
When you are just talking out of kungena base. Mina ngizama ukubonisa ukuthi Sipho.
So hayi imbuya kupointa ukuthi kunabantu abahlezi kubo mazibaba lapha. Abafakwe idlozi. To learn a lesson.
Yebo idlozi liyahlupha. Maybe ngelilanga ulentoza but ngizama ukubonisa something. Ukuthi whatever happens to you Sipho, whether uvuka ugula kumbe una mali kumbe whatsoever, there's a reason behind. And your reason is spiritual. Akusho ukuthi uthakathiwe. Mawukuthi uthakathiwe ukhona lo moya okwenze wathakatha. Oyi identity yakho.
Okay, so ngulo wona bakuthola.
And we identify that ngesibongo. Underline that.
Yes, bakuthola kuphi ngulo mabekudinga?
Mina kuthi angithanda ukuhlushwa. At the present moment I honestly ngoba ngithengisa lutho phela. Awini bakhona
kunomuntu ofuna ukufunda ngengulo yakwantu ukuthi hayi mina lapha ngiyagula mbulawa isibungu.
Yeah, well if they go on Facebook and they search ingulo yakwantu they would find my Facebook page there but I'm not really that active lapha yana.
So usiza kanjani njengoba isizwe uthi isizwe siyagula abantu bayagula bakuthola njani mabefuna lolu sizo?
Well angithi njengamanje iPhD Sipho ngashare lokho okuncane engikushareile. But ungaya ku Facebook you will find.
Yeah. Uthi mayithi?
Bangathintana noSipho.
Thank you siyabonga Damfo Mfifo Shobe ngiphethe ingulo yakwantu indlula mithi siyabonga.